Hey guys, if you love what you are seeing, make sure you watch this video to the end. My name is Olayinka Ajayi. As you all know, I love it when you call me Queen King. Now in today's video, we're talking about how to achieve this lovely coils, how to turn your old body wave wig to another new wig. Now, this is what you need. You will need leave-in conditioner. This is leave-in conditioner. This is also leave-in conditioner. This one too is also leave. So I have three type of leave-in conditioner here. You can use either of these three. There are other leave-in conditioner. Then I love this oil. I love using this oil. It repair my hair. Then I love this one too. You can use this one. You can use the other one too. And then you need tape comb. You need this. Anyone you have at home, just use. Then you need clip. If you don't have clip, don't worry, use your rubber band to pack the wig together. This is just to pack the wig together. Then you need bending rollers. Now let's get to work. This is me working. Now I want to use this leave-in conditioner. It's very good. It's not very expensive. I think it's like 6,000 naira in the market now. I use either of those oil. Now that is bending rollers I have. So if you don't have clip, you can use rubber band to pack your hair. Now make sure you apply the hair with leave-in conditioner after you style the hair. If you want it in center or half part in front, anyhow you want to, just tie in front before you apply. Then you pat the hair together. Use your clip or your rubber band to hold it down. Then start from down. Start rolling from down. The bending rollers is very flexible. You can turn it anyhow you like and bend it anyhow you like. It's very flexible. So you have to tighten your hand, like make sure your hand is very tight to that bending rollers. This will help you to achieve a very good coils. If you have been using bending rollers, you don't know how to use it. Maybe your hand is not tight enough. Make sure your hand is very tight to the bending rollers. Make sure your hand and the hair is tight to the bending rollers. That will give you a very beautiful coiling hair. And you can use this bending roller to achieve any type of coils. This one I'm doing is for this type of coil I want to achieve. So if I want to achieve any type of coil, another type, I'll have to roll it in another way. So you can see, you fold the bending rollers from up to hold the hair down. Then you roll your hair in portion like that. Then you bend it so that the hair will not flip away. That's all you need. Make sure your hand is tight. Make sure the hair is not too much on the bending rollers. If the hair is too much, the coils will not come out very well, except you want to keep the hair for so long. So if you want to keep the hair for like maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks before you remove the bend rollers on it, your hair, so the coils will come out very lovely. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? You roll it on the hair firmly. Make sure it's very tight. Make sure it's very tight. Then you cuff that end into. Can you see? This is so beautiful. This is the end of the wig. Now if you are not using your wig immediately, you can just keep it for like anytime you want to wear it to remove the coils. So I'm using this because I want to remove the coils immediately. So I will leave this on it. This is steamer. You can use to steam your hair, to steam. I just want it to steam and dry so that I can remove it. So I'll be using this for like 30 minutes. Plug it for like 30 minutes. You can plug it on as electrical steamer. Then you remove it and you can see how beautiful the coils came out. Then you remove your bending rollers. If you don't want to comb, but if I want to comb, I still comb it out because I'm feeling like the coil is too much for me, so I comb it out to achieve, like, I just want the cost to reduce a little bit. So can you see the beauty? Can you see the end of the hair? Can you see how beautiful the wig is looking? This is before styling. Before I style it, and see me now, I too beautiful. I'm looking like a celebrity. Bye bye guys, see you in my next video.